The secret to a clean acrylic engrave isn't the laser settings. It's getting the image right before you even touch the machine. Here's how. Open up imag-r, click on One Click in the overview, and upload your photo. For material, we're going with acrylic. I want to engrave this image at 120 millimeters tall. The width adjusts proportionally on its own. I'm on a CO2 laser with a compound lens, so 318 dpi is the right call here. Hit Prepare Image and let it do its thing, and there it is. Perfectly processed, with a before and after preview right there on screen. Hover over the result and a magnifier pops up so you can check all the fine details up close. Since I use Lightburn, I'm downloading the complete Lightburn project file. My settings are 120 millimeters per second, 1% minimum power, and 7% maximum power. Click Download and it starts automatically. Open the file, select the image, and press P to center it. Everything is already set correctly. Speed, power, and pass-through. Pass-through gets activated automatically because the image was already dithered, and we don't want Lightburn processing it a second time. No further changes needed. We're ready to engrave. One thing to keep in mind, I've removed the protective film from the engraving side, but I'm leaving it on the back to protect the surface during the process. Once it's done, a soft brush takes care of any residue from the engrave. Then peel the film off the back, and there's your result. Every detail sharp, nothing overburned, zero artifacts. Try it yourself at imag-r.com. Completely free.